Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifres, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, we are going to custom repaint Funko Pop RX-7882 Gundam Super. Okay? So, mas malaki siya sa regular na mga Funko Pops. This is larger, 6-inch tall. Tapos, meron na rin ako review nito sa aking channel. So, if you want to watch the review, punta kayo sa previous video. Okay? So, first step, we are going to spray this with Bosny Flat Clear, number 191 Flat Clear, para magkaroon siya ng adhesive layer excuse me, para magkaroon siya ng adhesive layer so that our paints will stick to the surface. So ang gagawin natin dito, comic book paint style. So pag nagkaroon na siya ng adhesive layer, we are going to apply shadows, highlights 1, highlights 2, and then line art, tapos yung highlights 3. Okay? And then top coat. Ito rin yung top coat na gagamitin natin. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so done na tayo sa flat clear. Now we are going to apply shadows. So shadows, we are going to use Hero Paints. Thank you very much again, Hero Paints, for sponsoring these videos. Yung mga custom repaints natin yan. If you want to buy some Hero Paints, yung mga water-based acrylics, meron silang mga metallics, camouflage paints, mga lacquer paints, mga airbrush friendly paints. And punta lang kayo sa Lazada or Shopee for your hobby paint needs. Okay, Hero Paints water-based acrylic primer, matte white and matte gray yung gagamitin natin for the shadows. Okay, so medyo malaki yung surface dito, kaya ito yung gagamitin natin, mas malaking flat brush. Okay, okay, pwede natin apply dito yung mga shadow areas. Okay, ano yun? Wait lang tanggalin ko lang to. Okay. So over here. Okay. And so ginagawa ko lang yung flicking motion. Okay. So press and flick para magkaroon ng mga brush strokes. Okay, done na tayo sa first layer. Now, dagdagan pa natin ng shadows. So, additional shadows tayo dito sa white. So, gray lang to. Wala nang additional na white. Okay. For the next step, ito yung gagamitin natin for the line art. Hero water-based acrylic primer matte black. So, tapos na lahat na ng mga shading natin. So, nakapag-apply na tayo ng darks, ng highlights and darks, highlights 1 and highlights 2, and also highlights 3. Ngayon, proceed na tayo sa line art. So sa line art, pwede tayo explore ng mga comic book style na line weights. Kunwari, ito yung brush na gamit ko, mas manipis na, and try natin gumawa ng mga comic book style of line. So pwede tayong gumawa ng panel line gamit to. Yan. Since this is thin enough, tapos we can also do feathering lines. Yan, mga transition lines. Pwede rin cross hatching. Yan. Tapos pwede rin yung different line weights. Kunwari ito, thick and thin. Meron siyang, pwede natin gamitan ng brush pressure para iba yung line weight niya. Okay, so dito din, thick and thin. Pwede rin pataas. Yan. So, ganun yung style na gagawin natin. So, yun mga ma'am, sir, ma'am, done na tayo mag-custom repaint ng Funko Pop na RX-782. Ito yung larger Funko Pop na kinustom repaint natin into comic book paint style. So, this is the front, the side, and the back with my signature. Meron din akong signature dito. Tapos, ayun, recap lang natin. Nag-spray tayo ng flat clear para magkaroon ng adhesive layer so that our paints will stick to the surface. Tapos, ayan, shout out to Hero Paints. Kasi puro Hero Paints yung ginamit ko dito. And for the line art, we used water-based acrylic primer matte black. Okay. After ng clear primer, nag-apply tayo ng shadows, and then highlights 1, highlights 2, tapos line art. And then top coat ng flat clear din. So, yun din yung primer ko and yung top coat ko. Same lang. Okay? So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.